My name is Rosa. I am 58 years old. I have a son. His name is Diego. I have a grandson. His name is Mateo. But most people don't know about him. For 10 years, I carried a secret. I carried it for Diego. I carried it for his family. But the secret became too heavy. Mateo's mother is not well. She has been sick for many years. She tried her best, but lately it has been harder. She called me one evening. Her voice was weak. She said, "Rosa, I can't do this alone anymore. Mateo needs help. He needs his father." My heart broke. I love that boy. I visit when I can. I bring food, books, and hugs. But I am not his father. Diego is. For years I told Diego, "You must tell Luciana. You cannot hide this forever." But he always said, "Not now. She will leave me. I will lose everything." And I stayed silent because I am his mother, because I wanted to protect him. But each year the silence grew heavier. When Mateo's mother called, I knew I couldn't stay quiet anymore. It was not about shame now. It was about the boy. It was about his future. So one Saturday, I went to Diego's house. We ate dinner together. Afterward, I asked Diego to leave the room. Luciana looked at me with kind eyes. She trusted me. And I broke her world. I said to Luciana, "There is something you don't know. Diego has a son, a boy, from before he met you." Her face turned pale. Her lips trembled. She said, "That's not possible. He never told me." I nodded. "It was long ago, but it is true. The boy is 10 now. His name is Mateo, and he needs help." Diego walked back in. Luciana looked at him shaking. She asked, "Is this true?" He lowered his head. "Yes," he said. Her tears came like rain. I wanted to hold her, but I couldn't, because I was part of the lie too. I kept silent when I should have spoken. That night, their house was filled with anger. I heard the shouting. I heard the pain. And I thought, maybe I made things worse. But then I remembered Mateo's face, his small hands, his tired eyes, and I knew I did the right thing. Luciana may never forgive me. She may never forgive Diego, but she knows the truth now, and truth is better than silence. Because a child should not suffer for a secret, because a mother should not carry shame alone, because Diego must face what he ran from. I pray every night for them, for Luciana, whose heart is broken, for Diego, who hides his guilt in tears, for Marisol, who feels the tension but does not know why, and for Mateo, the boy in the shadows, waiting for his father's love.
If you enjoyed this lesson, click here for another learning video.